While several electric vehicle sedans can excite you with their incredible straight-line performance, the 2025 Porsche Taycan combines smooth acceleration with the quick reflexes of a sports car. It's a favorite in the car and driver office because of this. Additionally, the most potent model this year has 1,019 horsepower. You may bring pals along for the crazy journey with the Taycan's four-door layout, but advise them to pack light because the rear seat is narrow and there isn't much place for cargo. For the driver and front passenger, a dashboard crammed with display screens offers quick access to important information, such as adjustable gauges and a reasonably user-friendly infotainment system. The car's equipment can range from very basic to quite opulent, offering an almost limitless number of customization choices. The Taycan costs more than competitors like the Tesla Model S and the Lucid Air, despite the latter two being more spacious, useful, and having a longer range between charges. All of this performance and luxury comes at standard Porsche prices. However, we believe that the Taycan offers greater enjoyment on winding roads than either does, thus the cost and compromises are justified. For 2025, the Taycan gets a minor style makeover that includes minor adjustments to the headlamps, fenders, taillights, and front bumper. Beneath the car's sheet metal are more substantial alterations. To improve DC fast charging performance, Porsche has made certain tweaks that should delight those who suffer from range anxiety. With a peak charging rate of 327 kilowatts, we were able to charge our test automobile from 8 to 80% in less than 17 minutes. Porsche has improved the batteries. In addition to the conventional 83.6 kilowatt-hour pack, there is now a 97.0 kilowatt-hour performance battery pack available, which is also lighter than the pack it replaces. Porsche claims that the new, rear-mounted electric motor is more efficient in addition to having lost some weight. Driving range predictions will undoubtedly improve with larger batteries and less curb weight, but official EPA statistics are still pending. Porsche has expanded its roster to include the high-performance Taycan Turbo GT, which has 1,019 horsepower, a driving range of up to 340 miles, and a price tag of $231,995.